This is a quick and easy spicy tofu with stir-fry vegetables recipe. I got my little helpers in the kitchen with me, so let's see how it's made. Tofu cut into little squares, paprika, salt, sugar, soy sauce, green onions, oil, water, spinach, and vegetables of your choice, and lemon juice. We are going to fry our tofu first, so in a pan add a tiny bit of oil and fry the tofu slices on both sides. Cook until they're nice and golden brown from each side. Once they're all fried, take them out on a plate. We're going to use the same pan for our sauce, so mix the water with sugar and salt. Add the paprika, mix everything well together. Add your soy sauce, give it a good mix again, and pour everything in your heated pan. We are going to cook this sauce until the water reduces and the sauce thickens. Once more than half of the water is reduced and the sauce is thick, add your fried tofu and mix everything together. Add a drizzle of sesame oil. Sprinkle some chopped green onions and mix everything together again and dish it out. I am using the same pan for stir-fry vegetables, so add a bit of oil. Add your chopped vegetables. I have carrots, bell peppers, and mushrooms. Cook everything together for about 5 minutes. Sprinkle with pepper and salt. At the end, add the chopped spinach. Mix everything together. Squeeze a bit of lemon juice. Give it a final mix and your stir-fry vegetables are ready. I am serving the stir-fry vegetables and tofu on a bed of rice. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.